In this video, we review TRA tax relief. Have you used TRA tax relief before? What was your experience? Leave your TRA tax relief review in the comments section below. Tax Relief Advocates, TRA, is a tax resolution firm that offers services to individuals and businesses seeking assistance with tax debts. Their primary goal is to negotiate with the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to reduce or eliminate tax liabilities. TRA claims to have a team of experienced tax professionals dedicated to resolving tax issues efficiently. One of the main advantages of using TRA tax relief is their expertise in dealing with the IRS. They offer a range of services, including negotiating settlements, setting up payment plans, and providing guidance on tax compliance. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who feel overwhelmed by their tax debts and prefer professional assistance. However, there are notable disadvantages to consider. Some users have reported dissatisfaction with TRA services. For instance, one individual mentioned paying $3,200 for tax processing assistance, only to find that no substantial progress was made on their case. Additionally, another user expressed frustration over the lack of communication and the feeling of being scammed by the company. These accounts suggest that while TRA may offer valuable services to some, others may experience challenges with their approach. It's also important to note that tax relief services, in general, can be costly. Some individuals have reported paying significant amounts for services that did not yield the expected results. This highlights the necessity of thoroughly researching and considering the potential return on investment when engaging with such firms. In conclusion, while TRA tax relief offers specialized services that could be advantageous for those struggling with tax debts, it's crucial to approach their offerings with caution. Potential clients should conduct comprehensive research, read reviews, and possibly consult with multiple tax professionals to ensure they are making an informed decision. The experiences of others can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness and reliability of TRA services.